Hey Mystics, I'm Lisa Stewart, founder of Co-Create Your Magic and your guide to Mystic Maker's business portal. I'm delighted that you want to explore everything the portal offers to help you start and grow your business. Now, you may be skeptical, and I get that. Starting a business can be overwhelming. However, Mystic Maker's business portal is the space to quickly build your business and become a recognized authority and guide. This is where you'll learn how to stand out from the practitioner next door. You'll be equipped with tools, knowledge, and a supportive community. And this includes live coaching, on-demand training, tools, templates, and 24-hour weekday support. Your doubt and fear can be transformed into confidence and action through the portal's empowering guidance. Mystic Maker's business portal is not just another set of tools. It's your roadmap to marketing success. My goal is to inspire you to create a conscious business, all while staying true to your core values and fostering a more confident approach to your journey. You'll soon learn how to set the table for your clients that's not hinged on big pharma or pro-marketing tactics that reek of desperation and aggression. That's not what I'm about. Inside the portal, I'll outline the differences so that you can discern for yourself, if you haven't already. And while you're here, I want to take you behind the scenes to show you everything you get inside the portal. Ready? I have packed this program with everything you need to be successful. The portal provides structure and contains comprehensive resources in the realm of tools, wisdom, and camaraderie to fuel your sustainable success. While it's designed to be self-paced, offering you the flexibility to navigate when it's convenient to you, I also provide weekly trainings and Q&A inside the Facebook community. Inside the portal dashboard, as of this recording, you'll find 7 modules on the right side. Please start your journey here in the first module. This will set you up for success as you continue with the subsequent modules. You'll find 3 stages that make up your business growth and training. This structured progression ensures that you're equipped with the right knowledge at the right time, guiding you through the intricate dance of entrepreneurial magic and strategy. This includes modules 2, 3, and 4, where you'll set up, start, and scale your business. Following, you'll discover additional 3 more modules. The first one is building your skills. Not only will you deep dive into designing and building your own website with confidence, you'll learn SEO strategies, how to write copy that converts, project management. Plus, you'll discover design templates for your website, social media platforms and posts, printed materials, and so much more. Next, you'll find connecting and collaborating. This is where we deep dive into the power of building authentic relationships and streamlining your energy with SOPs. SOPs are standard operating procedures that are the backbone of efficiency. With these in place, you'll save so much time with the mundane tasks, giving you space to create. And at the heart of the program lies a comprehensive workbook, a vessel brimming with potent exercises, reflective prompts, and actionable steps. This workbook will become a vital business asset and your constant companion, always accessible to anchor your progress and serve as a canvas for your insights and revelations. You'll work your way through as you go through each lesson in each stage. The value you get out of this is doing the work in the workbook. I've taken 30 years of business experience and placed it into a step-by-step structure that's easy to follow along. I'll share my experience from starting with one product to growing, scaling, and getting media attention to starting as a spiritual practitioner 4 years ago, helping people dissolve their blocks to take the next right step, using my intuition, tapping my spirit team, oracle cards, and partnering with leaders in the market to promote my new business brand. It can be done. As a member of this portal, you get access to our exclusive supportive community. The Mystic Maker's business portal is here to illuminate your journey, to inspire your playfulness, and to embolden your steps towards entrepreneurship. And I've got a surprise for you. If you are as excited as I am for you to get started, grab the founder's introductory price of $33 a month. That's a whopping 40% off. Take the link below to apply today. And that's not all. Do you want another line of income? In the near future, I'll be raising the price to $55 a month. When that happens, I'll create an affiliate code for you to share with your friends who want to start and grow their business in Mystic Maker's business portal. Best of all, if you've adopted in for the founder's introductory price, you'll get grandfathered in for as long as you are a member. How can it get any better than this? Thank you so much for your interest in participating. I look forward to your energy and contribution in this community. Until next time, stay magical.